If you want to close your Trip.com account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you wish to close. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile section, often represented by your name or an icon. Step 3. Find the Account Closure option. Look for an option related to account management or closure. This may be labeled as Close Account, Delete Account, or something similar. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Click on the Account Closure option and follow the provided instructions. You may need to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the steps, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Make sure to check for this confirmation to ensure the process is complete. Once you have followed these steps, your Trip.com account will be closed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.